All right, here we have our 3-tap jockey box. Comes with stainless steel faucets, stainless steel faucet shanks, along with extension flanges on the front here. It keeps the faucet out and away from the jockey box a little bit. Inside we have stainless steel coils, direct coil to shank assemblies, no vinyl tubing on the inside, and then the rear input coupler shanks are also made from stainless steel with the inputs on the rear on this particular model. The 3-taps you can also get with front inputs. Keeps the input from your kegs to your jockey box right below the faucets. We also have a stainless steel drain plug. We also have different drain plugs available. This is a standard one that just plugs it. We also have one that's got a barb on it in case you want vinyl tubing and a valve on the end of it for drainage. 3-tap weighs 38 pounds empty, holds about 35 pounds of ice. Excuse me. So full, a little over 70 pounds. So if you need to move it, make sure you have help once it's full. Several options when choosing to check out. First one's going to be your color. There's several options to choose from. Second one is accessories. No accessories. Your jockey box is only going to come with faucets and black tap handles. Beverage jumpers. It's going to come with the correct amount of beverage jumpers for your jockey box. Dispensing kit with no CO2 tank is going to come with everything you need to hook up to your kegs minus your CO2 if you can get those locally. And then your third option is your dispensing kit with a CO2 tank if you need one from us.